Hey everyone, it's Fudenosuke here, and I am here setting up for the week of Monday, December 10th through the 16th, I think. Gosh, you'd think that I would know this. The 16th of December. So for my non-Harry Potter fans out here, if you can't see, I've sketched out a little design for the week. I'm going to do a very similar setup to this past week where I have a day for each of the days of the week, Monday through Thursday, and then I'm just going to have one running task list for the weekend because I will be traveling that weekend. So sorry in advance if you can hear my cats. They really want my attention. So I will be traveling, so I don't really... usually a running task list is all I need when I'm traveling. And then over here I have a little events thing, which is the Mirror of Erised. And if you don't know what that is because you are not a Harry Potter fan, basically when you look into the mirror, it'll show you what you want, whatever you want. Well, that's what Harry says in the movie, at least. So basically you look into it and you see your deepest desires. Instead of putting my deepest desires here because I don't think that will help with my productivity, I put my events. So I have Monday through the weekend over here, and it's just like that little design. And basically that happens in the first book / movie of Harry Potter, and it's just kind of a really touching scene because Harry sees his parents, because that's what he wants most in life, is to get to know the parents that he never really knew. So with all that being said, I am going to go ahead and get started and put everything down on paper for you, and then see you on the other side. All right, so there it is. Pretty simple. You guys pretty much saw what I was going to do while it was sketched out. So I will have a section up here for priorities. That's been working out pretty well this past week for my priority for the day. And then I have a couple priorities that I want to get done for the week. So I've added that section up here just to fill that little bit of space. And so I have Monday through the weekend. Again, I'll do a running task list. And the Mirror of Erised, which I'm really happy with how this turned out. I wasn't quite sure once I got done with the line work if I really wanted to go in with color. But I'm happy with how it turned out regardless, even if the colors are just a touch off. And I didn't actually mean to grab this color for the priorities, so I tried to cover it with brown, but that was kind of a mess. So I might cover all of that with brown and then write it in white. I'm not sure yet, but I kind of need the paper to be a little less saturated with the color first before I attempt to do that. So that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for joining me for another week, and I will see you on Friday with another video. Bye, everyone.